proud of that. So, just wanted to let you know who I am. Uh, like I was working as a quality assurance professional in a call center before my online journey. I have been a loyal founder of OnPassive from October 2018. I love new technologies. I love cryptocurrency. I can speak three languages: English, Hindi, Marathi. So that's my email address. I am also part of a leadership council. That's my email address. So maybe it's not just about maybe just taking in the people. It's all about an overall leader. So if you require any support, that's my email address, and you can anytime contact me so that I can get in touch with you. So let's, rather than jumping into directly what all OnPassive is all about, let's try to see what, the world picture right now. So this is the current situation. So more and more people are working from home. So like earlier, what used to happen, a real job was considered maybe a 9 to 5, where people used to go outside, do a 9 to 5 job, and then come home. But now with the corona and all other diseases that have come, what really has happened is that more and more people are working from home, and now people are maybe understanding that okay, working from home is more of a real job, and so the scenario is changing completely. It's drastically changing. Okay, and people are being laid off from office because now they are finding out there's a new concept that is coming in. They are finding it very, offices or maybe companies or corporates, whatever, they are finding it very economical when people are working from home, because then that is increasing the productivity, and that is also dropping the overhead cost. Maybe electricity, you're using lesser electricity, you're using all other lesser transport and all that stuff which you are used to spend on the employee. So definitely people are being laid off from office, and that's going to be the bigger trend because the corporates have found out the economical way. Now, earlier what used to happen was online income was thought about maybe as an alternative income. When maybe when we used to, when I started my online journey, it used to be considered as a online like a secondary income or something which will add to my job income. But nowadays what is happening is that people are finding, oh, they really want to work online because they have now understood that it's going to be due to the changing scenario. They have understood that online income is number one income, and then the other income is going to be maybe just another income. Also, people have understood that AI is a latest trend that is going on in technology. So they have understood that AI as a service is an emerging as a top trend in technology. So these are the things that you must be aware before you go ahead and understand about the OnPassive, because understanding the current scenario, it is critical for taking a decision. So, like, oh, who is OnPassive for? So, who is this presentation for? Or sometimes they, in maybe corporate language, they call it as, in presentations, they call it as WIFM. What's in for me? Okay. So, so the presentation is, this particular presentation is there, would be there, like if you believe in power of internet and concept of working from home. So if you believe that, then this presentation is for you. This presentation is also for people who maybe want a chance to solve, maybe not those companies, but similar company like that. Or maybe if you are an existing business has a a very low starting, and which you will be proud to share with everyone. Like there's some kind of business which you will be happy to share. So if these are the four things that you are in for, then definitely the presentation is for you. If it is for something else than this, then maybe that the presentation may not be for you. So once people have realized the importance of maybe earning online, then what happens is they start going online, and that's where the hard reality hits them. Number one, 97% of them are scams. Then they realize that, oh, online is not so simple. I just have to sell. Like you will have to recruit, and recruiting is not like you are not a default recruiter. Like there are certain skills which are required, which may not be present in everyone. I am a non-recruiter. I am a normal guy who does not have the skills. So so I'm like everybody. So maybe take it like, for example, we talked about Jaswant. Now Jaswant, I would say, is a natural recruiter, but I cannot maybe I'm not, I'm different from Jaswant.